Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everybody. Okay, this week I make a launch again after repairing my clutch belt. Quite surprising that within a week, less than a week, I already settled up with the belt. The last video that I post is that there is no stock from Hobby. The clutch belt was informed by my dealer, but luckily I managed to source for the belt locally, since the belt is not customized for hobby. It is an industry grade belt. So I just Google up on the local supplier and managed to get it, and I give the contact to my local dealer. On top of that, my dealer give me a link on how to assemble the belt. Unfortunately, the video that was from Hobby, in a way that it is not look so simple, but yet a lot of hidden details. They didn't tell you how to do it, so we have to try and error. Especially the line, the radar line connected to the handle is quite difficult to take out. So there is actually a way of doing it lah. So all these tips I share with my dealer, my local dealer, so that anyone have all this problem that come to him, so he can fix it with no issue. So that's it. Today I'm launching from another again Kayak 7, which that day I really can't fish at all. So today is the return. Okay, right now the time is almost 8 a.m. The sun is up. Expected weather to be hot today, and the current will be very strong, but overall it will be a good day for fishing. Okay, we'll update you all later. Okay, as I pedal to my spot, I realized that my kayak is moving, something like drifting. It doesn't move really straight, so I guess I have still to make some fine tuning when I get back. So far it's still okay, can move, can maneuver. With some fine adjustment, it should be okay. Alright. Okay guys, my first drop of the day. I'm using Apollo rig. Hopefully have a fruitful day today. All the best. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I record, don't bite. I don't record, bite. Yes. Woo! Another blue hind. Whoa! Hold on. One blue hind. Woof. Ada armagam. Me and my armugam. Another armugam. Ooh, armugam. Oh, you like my bait? Small armugam. Should I use it as bait? Maybe next time. Okay. Another armugam. Oh, it's a blue hind. Alright. Okay, it's one more blue hind. One more blue hind. Today I got trophy for blue hind. Armugam quietly going to go inside the coral. Caught off camera. Thought it's a snake. Blue hind. Alright. Off camera. One blue hind. Alright. Today I'm a zero fighter. No bite at all. The weather is so hot. Super hot. Now I do an overtime. Now it's already at 1:40. Okay, so I already stopped fishing. Weather is so hot. Nothing much that I catch. Just a lot of armugam and blue hind. Except recent we have one MJ. The rest also the same. What a thing. Okay, so the kayak is fine. Everything very smooth, much better than the day that I got this kayak. Alright, the 360 is more smoother. Except for now, fine tuning on the radar, and I think it should be fine. Okay, now we are heading back to Kapak 7. Okay, see you again. Bye.